In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can sign up to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I already have my Amazon Affiliate account. As you can see, this is my commissions, my summary, and so on. Okay, I will show you step by step how you can create an Amazon Affiliate account like this one, and let's get started. All you have to do, guys, is you just need to go to Google. Step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link over here. Okay, you will be directly in this sign up process to Amazon Affiliate. As you can see, click on sign up. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down and click on create your Amazon account like this. And here you go. All you have to do now is you need to put your first and last name here, your email address, and your password again here, and click on create your Amazon account. Okay, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Okay, this will be your Amazon Affiliate account dashboard, and you should see your commissions here, your summary, and so on. Okay, that's how we can create, and that's how we can sign up to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Thank you so much for watching.